Continuing part 2, Suzuki King Quad 300. And what has happened here, it's either the piston's locked up or centrifugal clutch, which I'm in the middle of taking the cover off on. Unfortunately, it did have a pull start, but the person before me was really struggling. I don't know what they were doing, but not only did they break the pull start gear, but they also broke the bolt off, and it looks like they broke that shaft trying to get this motor to turn over. They obviously thought it was a starter issue, which they replaced. So it's a brand new starter. So I think I'm going to attempt, the piston has been soaking in what appears to be transmission fluid, is what they put in there before I got the bike. The bike has had oil in it. I can see right here it's black. It wasn't very much oil that came out of there, which is why I'm gathering maybe the piston's locked up. So she should play friendly once I get this cover off. Then it's just me versus piston, and I'm hoping I don't have to take that cylinder head off. 9 out of 10 times you have to kind of send some little bit of shocks down the piston so it can encourage itself to move. So I got all my bolts out of here, out of the side cover, and I'm getting ready to pull it off, and then come up with my answer here. I originally thought maybe it could have been a one-way bearing, but that's working just fine. So I'll be pausing the video in between and coming back, back and forth. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, it's already loaded. I'll be putting the link in the description, and I also put it in the comments so everyone can see it. And we're going to try to get this thing up and running, so stay tuned.